everyone, and welcome to week 14, December 4th to the 8th of our grade 12 business leadership course. We're flying through December. This week, I have an instructional video for our project embedded here. That's the 10-minute video you need to listen to in order to complete the tasks for this week. But I'm just going to take you through what's on the agenda for this week quickly in this video. So firstly, of course, and always complete your attendance activity for the week to be marked as present for the week ahead. As we move through this week, we are jumping into our final project of the course. That's right, the final project of the course outside of the final 30. Hard to believe, but it's true. And as I mentioned, there is an instructional video that will take you through that project. The only other task for this week is to go through this lesson on employee discipline. As always with lessons, you're going to go through the slide deck, make notes in your Unit 2 notes, make sure that you're completing the tasks throughout the lesson. In this case, there is a Jamboard to complete. And then you will do a follow-up assignment on employee discipline. This is assignment badge number 6. So if you go into assessments in Dropbox and scroll down through Unit 2, you'll see that this has been labeled as badge number 6. So that is all the way down here. Activity employee discipline, okay? And you will make a copy of the document and go through the steps of the document, copy and paste the URL as your submission to this assignment. This is a fun activity. It really just puts you in a managerial role of trying to figure out how you would discipline an employee if they were performing in a certain way in your workplace, okay? And you're gonna do a little bit of research about employee discipline first. So you're going to have an article here just giving you some information on the nature of progressive discipline and employee discipline in the workplace. And then you're going to go through and answer these questions relating to the concepts that you need to know for this course. Again, so different types of disciplinary actions, what's progressive discipline, who's responsible for administering employee discipline, etc. Then you're going to read this article here and answer the question, what is time theft and how can employers prevent it from happening in the workplace? I think you'll find this question interesting. It also gives you an opportunity to reflect on how much time you're stealing from your free education. So something to reflect on there. And then you have a case study where you are going to have to then navigate a situation. Like, what would you do as a manager in this scenario? And then you're going to tell me what you would do based on the scenario. Okay, so how would you manage this conflict if you were the manager in this situation? So kind of some fun, again, thinking about what you would do as a manager in this scenario. So with this assignment, like I said, you're going to submit that in Dropbox when you're done. And I sort of assigned it for Monday and Tuesday of this week, assuming that you would get it done between these first 2 days of the week. It is due Monday at the December 11th at 8 a.m. But, and this is a big but, you've got your Unit 2 master project, and this has been given to you today, so you have all week to work on it, and it's not due until next Friday, December 15th at 3 p.m., but it's a huge project, and it does require you to interview someone, so you do have to organize when that interview is going to happen. As an example, last year I had one student who left the interview to the day before the assignment was due, and then the interviewee got sick and had to cancel and reschedule the interview, but the deadline was the deadline, so you don't want to do that, okay? So making sure that you're organizing your time really efficiently is important. So I would really take a look at this project right away so that you could plan your time accordingly, okay? Now, I'm not going to talk about this project in this video because there is an instructional video here about this assignment. It's also linked in here, and you can also see it in Dropbox. It's linked in with the assignment in Dropbox as well, okay? So listen to that instructional video as it gives you all the details for this master project. Again, for this week, you've got your participation activity, you've got the employee discipline lesson and this assignment on employee discipline due on Monday, and you've got to start working on this master project. This is a big, big project. It's the last project of the course. It's highly weighted. I have high expectations, and that's why you have 2 weeks to work on it. Make sure you listen to that instructional video, which takes you through how to complete the assignment really well. And otherwise, if you do have any questions, please let me know. Send me an email or we can meet over Google Meet. Otherwise, I hope you have a great week and I'll see you online.